who recently lost 60 pounds on a juice diet. Have you seen Shaka?
Wait, first of all, give it up for Shaka Khan. What? She is hot. She is every woman. I mean, there's a couple things going on at the bottom.
Hey, listen.
But I like it. I like it. Don't trip.
She's celebrating. And that was at the...
I'm just saying.
And that was at the American Idol of the other night. That was the same one. Fantasia wore a catsuit, too.
Let me see what she did. Oh, damn. Oh, Fantasia.
Look at us cutouts on the thighs.
Oh, first of all, Fantasia, you're supposed to wear your Spanx under something. What? What? She got on a... Is that a scuba suit?
Well, look, that was her performing. Here's Fantasia on the red carpet. Do we have the other picture?
Let's see, one more time. Oh, wow. Okay. Wait a minute now. Wait a minute. You need a moment to digest that. Wow. Okie dokie.